Right, I have no choice but to take you on this journey now because your second song might dictate my last one, and this has to be in it. I'm not going to say anything else, really. I'm just going to...
It's a journey, apparently.
It's a journey, mate. To hell.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, these mofos.
It just... absolute... Imagine being in that room, is all I'll say. Well, it's like the song structure, the composition is always like just amazing to hear. It was one of them. I just put it on in the background like a week or so ago, and by the end I was like...
I feel like I'm just trying to solve an impossible mystery.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel trapped.
Yeah. I'm like, buddy walked down the broad walk for the last time that night.
Yeah. He was thinking...
It was literally like movie soundtrack level. This it's just like
Imagine being like, if they only had one cameraman, how much you'd have to... Wait, they'll be falling over stuff.
yeah. Like 15 guitarists.
Yeah, no, yeah. They just keep adding more.
Yeah.
I think the mixing of this though is just always one you gotta respect. But half of them aren't even plugged in, are they?
I love the sweeping trumpets. So much mystery.
They're almost symphonies, aren't they? Because there's so many like movements and then back to different like places and...
He's got a talk box. So mint if you played one of them notes out of key.
Yeah, I know, yeah. Let's go back to the start. That was me, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Someone sat on something. I think it's that much freedom in it that you can't really do much wrong, can you? Like, if you fuck a note up, you just make it up for it in the next bit, like.
Come on, jump!
Yeah.
Come ahead and jump! Yeah. This is Van Halen.
Yeah. I love how everyone just bobs their heads to this.
Yeah.
It's just, the whole room gets going in it.
They're proper weird chords, them, like, he's jumping into different keys, signatures. That, not the same key. Oh.
I just think the slow bits always make this better because it's like been building.
It just hurts to try and follow it in your head of like where it's gonna go because it just doesn't.
How many notes can you play in one song?
That was mental.
You're dying over there, aren't you? You're dying.
Again! It's like the Music Olympics. It's just got all the events on at once.
Yeah. It's ridiculous, isn't it? Yeah, I love it. It's a totally different song to the first half.
Yeah. That's why it's impressive, because it's like, how do we get to this point?
Yeah. Literally me.
He always has the best reactions, that guy.
Mate, it's essentially like a religious experience being there.
Yeah, exactly.
That is mental.
Like, I can't get enough words to describe that. It's just beyond us. Like, there was a point where, I remember when I first got into him, I was like, I'd love to be able to play like that, and I just immediately went, I'll never do that.
Yeah.
So now I can enjoy it. There's no like jealousy, or there's no like
no despair.
No.
That's what I thought then when they did like the crescendo. I thought, how much of a fucking talented musician you've got to be to like just go, right, we're stopping it now, and then go, and then they had the key player was like going,
yeah, and then
hell, man.
they just go home and like have the tea and it's normal.
Yeah. Just played a gig today.
Yeah.
Just made 20 people cry.
Yeah.
Oh my god! I honestly, I'm lost of where to go with this now.
I've kind of broken you.
Yeah.